Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I haven't did a vlog in probably 2 weeks, and I haven't worked on my book about a week, but I'm still doing good. I'm at 31K, and the story is 58K, so I'm not that far off. Definitely will finish my deadline, which is supposed to be March. It's going well. Nothing crazy. I'm enjoying it. I am loving rereading my stories and making a revision and adding and subtracting, all that good stuff. But I've been reading. So I finished for this month, Black History Month. I finished so far. I finished so far Beverly Jenkins' Breathless. Love it. Definitely gonna do a review on this. And then for the Read So Lit, where am I at? I am at 210 pages for the Read So Lit read along, which is Unforgivable Love. And oh yeah, this is good. Like I'm all for this one. It is very much, giving me the 1940s vibes. The woman who, there's this character in there where she's kind of a villain, but I like her. So definitely don't want to talk much yet until I get to the end. But it's like a weekly page count, and I'm not sure how far I'm supposed to be in week 2, but I'm definitely at least halfway. Well, not quite halfway, but almost halfway. But I'm definitely every day getting through this. I'm also reading Snowflake by Nia Forrester. I'm loving it, guys. The only drawback is my Kindle. I'm literally it's plugged up right now. But my Kindle is not holding battery, and I've had it for quite a few years now, so I know it's probably needs to be replaced soon. But I would start reading and I'm so into it, and then it would just die. So I'm constantly having to charge it up all the time. So that I don't like, because I have so many books in my Kindle I want to read. But I definitely want to finish this book, if not tonight, by tomorrow, because the new book from Danielle Allen comes out tomorrow, and I'm so looking forward to reading that one. And also I'm a little bit like, can't wait for March, because the new book from Penelope Douglas, which is part 3 in the Devil's Night, which one is called Kill Switch, also came up. But I'm only reading African American books this month, so that book is just gonna have to wait, which it means I'm gonna have to avoid anybody that read it, because I don't know. I don't want to know what she's gonna do with Damien. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So that's pretty much it for today. I am off, and I'm loving that I'm back. Feel good today. Last week was just, the headaches were back, so I couldn't really do all the things I wanted to do. But I feel good. I'm gonna continue. And yeah, and hopefully I can get through most of Snowflake. I'm really enjoying it. It's very much great for this time of the year. And the trope is basically the guy next door with a reputation who is not really what he is. That kind of storyline. But I feel like there's going to be more to it, because his background seemed very interested. They both have parents issue. So I'm going to continue, and if I finish it by the time I'm in this vlog, then I'll probably do a slight review of that book in here. So we'll see. So that's it for now, and I'm gonna go back to editing and catch up with you later. So we are in next day. So guys, my Kindle is really irritating me. So still I mean, literally just took it off the charger and it's now 48%. So I'm going to have to get a new Kindle. Good thing is they're not as expensive anymore. They're pretty affordable. But, so whenever it crashes and die on me, I pick this one up. And I'm now on page 272. So definitely gonna finish this early. But I need to go on the Goodreads page where they're having a discussion and at least get into week 1 and week 2. But I'm loving it. And the book that I'm reading on the Kindle, which is Snowflake, oh, I love it. It's just such a really nice romance story, and I'm hoping to finish it soon, but you know, my Kindle won't let me. Keep dying. But it's just really a love story that deals with you know, the girl next door, the guy as well. They both have similar issues, and how they are the romance between them is blossoming. I really like it. I think it's so sweet, and I can't wait to get to the end to see how it's gonna play out. But really, really, really enjoying this one. So, and I said it's a snowy day. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not even snow, it's sleet. And which means that I really wouldn't want to be out there driving because the roads are probably icy. But it's winter and we're getting through it. So yeah, that's pretty much my game plan for the rest of the day, is to get back into this book. And I had a plan on doing a bit of writing. I did write for about an hour today, but I'm not gonna write anything else. I do need to get on the blog. My blog, I haven't posted anything in over a week, probably a week and a half now. And I have material. Again, no photo. That's my challenge right now because you know, the weather's not friendly to get some photographs taken, but hopefully this weekend I'll be able to do that, and I'll have something up by Sunday. So yeah, I'm not gonna end this vlog here. I think I'm gonna vlog for another day because I'm gonna try and finish at least this book and end the vlog with me giving a review. That's the goal. So yeah, so on to the next day, guys. Bye. Hey, so today, basically, so far, I finally uploaded an actual blog post. It's kind of like a romance Valentine's Day kind of deal. So, you know, go ahead and check it out and leave a comment. So guys, I'm gonna finally do a review now. So I did finish Snowflake early this morning, so I am gonna say I loved it. It's not what I thought it was gonna be. It's definitely surprisingly how it turned out good. So this is a story about these two college students. They're in their senior year, and they opt not to go home for Thanksgiving. And although they live in the same apartment complex, they never cross paths, they never talked, they never communicate. But they're very much aware of each other and pretty much know each other's movement. However, during this time, the guy had a little job, got hurt, and someone came to the rescue to help him because he had messed up his ankle. And also, during the storm, there was a snowstorm, and he ended up getting sick. So that's what initially bonded them. But in this story, what you learn more is that they both have similar issues, similar things that affect them personally, but they handle it totally different, where one character is very much isolated, stay by herself. The other character, he's more of a social butterfly. He is out there. Women knows him. He's just had this reputation of being, out there and doing all these things with different women. And but in that particular day, they end up bonding, and he end up finding her intriguing in a way that he's never looked at another woman, because she was just different, but she had that innocence, but that mystery. She seemed very mysterious, and he just thought that was interesting. But that's what really started the story. But what I'm going to say is, this story is more about the effect of your parents on you. And that's pretty much what I got from this story. Both are dealing with daddy issues. One never met their dad, and the other one, father, is incarcerated. And how their mothers treated them, and how that their father's situation impact how they love, how they look at another woman or a man, or how they feel that their life is supposed to be based on what happened with their parents. And I really enjoyed that aspect of the story. I thought it was interesting because and very relatable, because a lot of times you think about your parents and how they influence you. You look at intimacy with your parents. If you grew up seeing your parents intimate with each other, hugging or kissing, you might have a different view on romance, versus if you've never seen it, you've never grew up seeing that intimacy. You might grew up seeing more of a negative situation, or not seeing anything at all. So how that can impact the relationship in the future. She really dealt with a topic that I think a lot of people might be able to relate to, and maybe even think about. Like, wow, you think about, oh, I never recall seeing my parents doing this or that, or if they did do it, you might think that's not realistic in real life. That may never happen to me. I may never get that love, because it always felt like it was just not realistic. Love that part of the story. Love that she kind of went where it felt like it was going to be an insta-love situation, but I like when she pulled back and made the relationship grow and have that character development where you understood where the attraction was, what made them, the couple strong eventually as the story goes by. I really enjoyed it. It really got my attention. It really made me think. And I'm really here for this one. And I love romance like this. I'm such a big fan of romance that have elements of it that is relatable and not so much of a fairy tale. So this was a good one. Now, I'm going to continue reading the Read Soullit book. I'm much over half of it already. Hopefully by the weekend I'll be done. But I do need to get that Goodreads group. I haven't. And then I downloaded the new one from Daniel Allen, which is A Telltale, and inspired by Edgar Allan Poe. This is an old short story I read years ago. It's horror. So I'm not sure what the connection is, because this is a romance. But I get the impression it's going to be similar to a book I read a few years ago where the characters bond over Casablanca. And I never watched it. And I remember reading that book. And as soon as I was done, I was like, I need to watch Casablanca. And I did. So I'm assuming it's something like that. They're going to bond over the short story, or maybe seeing the movie or something. That's what I'm thinking. But with Daniel Allen, anything is possible with her. She has a way of twisting stories and getting your attention. So we'll see. I'm definitely going to read it. I already read about chapter 1. And we're going to continue. So that is it. I'm going to cut this vlog now and continue over the weekend to something else. So I'm going to upload this. And if this might be up on Valentine's Day or after, but if not, happy Valentine's Day. Go check out my blog and spread the love, guys. Spread the love. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.